Hey, how's it going, everyone? Back out here in the shop. I've been getting some stuff knocked out. Um, I didn't film any of it. It's to the point now where I'm just trying to get things done. So I'm sharing it with you as I get it done. And I know y'all are used to me doing videos as I'm working, but right now I'm in a mad dash trying to get all this done to the point to where it might have a slim chance of being ready. So just kind of get to everybody updated on what's going on since the last video. Still waiting on my bearings for the 8.8. Those should be in either today or tomorrow. And along with the spring purchase, they're supposed to be here by Thursday. So as soon as those get here, we can get on this. Springs are ready to go. And I just gotta get some U-bolts. But yeah, things are slowly coming together. Finally went and got my gas from my welder, so I'm getting ready to hook that back up so I can get back on some welding. But in the meantime, I was still able to keep going. Of course, right now the garage is a mess. I gotta get it all cleaned up from the other day. And the one thing you notice that, where's the other engine at? Well, glad you asked. So the other night, had everything about set up, ready to go. Decided to stab the engine into the Lark, which is always fun because everything fits tight on this thing. So after wrestling with it for a little bit, we finally got it installed in the car for the last time. It's not coming back out unless there's an issue with the engine. We won't know that until we get it fired up. And, well, let's take a look. So last night, got the hole cut out in the firewall for the new wiring harness for the engine and the transmission. So I just got to figure out where all this stuff's going to land at and mount. So trying to get a game plan on that. And here we go. It's back installed in its resting place. Went ahead and started doing the wiring on the front part. Got everything plugged in that I can get plugged in. And this is where it came out of the firewall at. It's like a 2 1/4 inch hole. And it's not exactly where they wanted it at, because yes, I am going by their directions. So that was about the best spot I could put it at. And the good thing is, everything reached. So we're going to clean all this stuff up and let Ethan come in here and make it look nice and neat and put some wire loop on it. Don't need the AC, so that's gone. Even though the harness comes with an AC, but we won't be using it. And I mean, everything fits in here tight. You can see right here, I've got probably about 1/8 to 1/4 inch clearance between that and the valve cover. Everything's fitting up tight against the firewall. So I've only got a couple connections left to make on it. And this company is hot wired that had everything done. Of course, everything's marked. That's for the alternator. This is for the air intake, which will fit wherever I'm going to put it at. But yeah, I'm making some progress. And still got to figure out the exhaust situation. I don't know if I'll have headers in time or not. So I got to find to see what's going to work. And I did buy some headers for it at the beginning, but they're going to need some modifications to work right. And I just don't know if I'm going to have time. So I'm going to try to put stock exhaust manifolds on it. I might have to do some tweaking on those, but we'll get it figured out. So that's kind of what's been going on here. I'm going to sit there today, get all this cleaned up, get the engine's hoist broke down, get it out of the way to where I can get in here and walk around and get back working on the Lark, finish modding things. Hopefully the pad for the dash will be ready here the next couple days, and I can get that remounted onto the dash itself, get it back in the car, and then that kind of give me a better idea where I can put the rest of this harness at. But just want to give you all a quick update on what's going on. And other than that, guys, I'll see you down the road.